In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in ClickUp. We'll use ClickUp's mind map view to lay out a clear visual flow of your process so you can see the big picture at a glance and keep details organized. First, open your ClickUp account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific space where you want this flowchart to live. Choosing the right space matters because your flowchart will be saved there alongside the work it supports, keeping everything in context for your team. At the top of that space, click Add View. This is where you pick how you want to visualize information. From the available options, select Mind Map. Mind maps in ClickUp are perfect for building a flow style diagram because you can expand ideas, branch off decisions, and connect related items in a clean visual way. Next, choose the blank option. This gives you a fresh canvas, free of preloaded tasks, so you can build your flowchart structure from scratch. When prompted, enter a clear descriptive name for your view. A name like Process Flowchart or the specific process you're mapping helps everyone recognize it later. You'll now see a central node on the canvas. Start by writing your flowchart title on this root node. This is the anchor of your diagram, the main process or topic that everything else will branch from. Keep the label short and focused so the center of your chart is easy to understand at a glance. To expand your flow, click the plus icon near the root node. This adds a new node branching out from the center. Continue clicking the plus icon from any node to build out the next step, decision, or outcome. Work outward in logical order, keeping each node to a concise step. If your process includes multiple paths, create separate branches so each path stays clear. As you build, feel free to customize. You can select a color for nodes to group related steps or highlight decision points. Consistent color choices make the chart easier to scan. You can also link a task to any node. This is helpful when a flow step corresponds to real work. Linking a task keeps context and execution connected. When you link a task, make sure the name clearly matches the node's purpose so teammates instantly know what it's for. Continue adding nodes with the plus icon until your process is fully mapped. Review the chart for clarity, refine wording where needed, and adjust colors for consistency. That's it. Your flowchart is ready inside ClickUp's mind map view, organized, shareable, and tied to your workspace.